Hi, this is David from Smart World. We're gonna show you our reverse camera, Wi-Fi reverse camera solution for cars with only wireless CarPlay. As you know, in the market there are more and more cars with only wireless CarPlay, like Ford, Volvo, BYDs, Deepal. So those cars you cannot use a cable to connect a reverse camera via CarPlay. You need a wireless CarPlay camera. So what we've done, we've used one of our solutions, the Up2Car WS from Smart World. We install it in this demo radio that has wireless CarPlay connection. And with that, we have installed the Joy Trip app, and we have been able to use this little camera. And this little camera can be used for reverse camera, for a caravan, for a towing, and multiple options. So excellent, is working really great. So now we're gonna launch this product soon. Actually, this product is already on our website, but we're gonna show you this solution available for cars with wireless CarPlay. Plus, we're gonna launch a solution, a baby car seat solution, so we can have a camera in the back to monitor or see our babies in the back seats. That's the option number 2 that we're gonna launch very soon. So thank you very much. And if you want more solutions for cars with wireless CarPlay, just go to smartworldcompany.com.